Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Ganesha. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and keeping the color side on the top, I'll be creating a diagonal fold. Open the paper and find the center point by folding it into half. Just make a pinch in the center and open the paper. Again bring this tip to the center point and mark it one more time. And bring this tip to that point and make a crease. Make a sharp crease and turn the paper. Now fold this space into half like this and make a crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side by folding this area into half. Now you will be able to collapse the model like this. Rotate the paper and bring these two sides to the center crease. This is a pre-creasing to create the next step, that is petal folding. Open the flaps and lift one paper up like this and bring two sides to the center crease. This is called petal folding. Fold this flap like this by aligning these points to the sides and make a crease. Open the flap and on the same line, turn the flap inside. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now open these two flaps and fold a small triangle down. Then fold back the side flaps. Bring the sides to the center crease to create the trunk. Open the flap and fold it down and bring this tip to the center point and make a new crease. Open the pre-creases and fold it as demonstrated. Open the ears like this. Here just pinch in the corner and bring that to the center point where the trunk ends. Near the ears, just leave little bit space and make a crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Near the ears, little bit space you have to leave, then fold the flap inside. And making a new crease. Now fold this triangle in, make a sharp crease Then open the side 2 flaps and tuck in this triangle and place the side flaps as before. Turn the model and fold down the triangles inside to give the curve shape. Origami Ganesha is done. You can draw the details and fold the trunk as shown. Just give the curve shape. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.